Cardinal Burke provides update on his recovery from COVID-19. Cardinal Burke credited God for his survival, which at times seemed uncertain. Cardinal Raymond Leo Burke updated his followers on his recovery from COVID-19 and thanked them for their prayers in a letter published late Sunday evening, saying it will be several more weeks until he will be ready to return to his normal activities. Thanking you once again, with all my heart, for your faithful and generous prayers for the recovery of my health. I write to update you on the progress of my rehabilitation, said Cardinal Burke in the letter titled Letter to Those Who Are Praying for Me. In thanking you, I thank, above all, our Lord, who in answer to your prayers has preserved me in life. I thank, too, Our Lady of Guadalupe and all the saints through whose intercession you have offered and are offering prayers for me, he said. Cardinal Burke announced that he had been discharged from the hospital on 3rd September and is living in a house near his family members. The house is well adapted for the rehabilitation program which I am following. My priest secretary has now come from Rome to stay with me too. Assist me with my program of rehabilitation, he said. Cardinal Burke's representatives announced the 73-year-old cardinal had been admitted to the hospital and placed on a ventilator on 14th August, 4 days after Cardinal Burke said he had tested positive for the coronavirus. On 21st August, he was taken off the ventilator and was discharged from the intensive care unit. Cardinal Burke's condition was described as serious but stable while he was in the ICU. The Cardinal described his recovery as steady but slow and said that his doctors believe he is doing well. For my part, I am trying to grow in patience, said Cardinal Burke. My principal challenges, at the present, are regaining certain fundamental physical skills needed for my daily living and overcoming a general fatigue and difficulty in breathing, which are typical for those who have suffered the contagion of the COVID-19 virus. As part of his recovery process, Cardinal Burke said that he would be unable to respond to messages individually and would be limiting the number of telephone calls and visitors. Cardinal Burke credited God for his survival, which at times seemed uncertain. Our Lord has preserved me in life for some work which He wishes me to carry out, with the help of His grace, for love of Him and of His mystical body, the Church, he said. I am determined to use the present time of rehabilitation in the best manner possible, so that I will be prepared to carry out His work. Throughout the time in the hospital and now, I continue to place myself into the care of our Blessed Mother, so that my heart, one with her Immaculate Heart, may rest always securely in our Lord's most sacred heart, said Cardinal Burke. The Cardinal requested that people continue to pray for my full recovery and added that each day I offer my prayers and sufferings for your many intentions. Let us all pray and offer sacrifices for the world and the Church, which are beset with so much confusion and error, to the great and even mortal harm of many souls, said Cardinal Burke. A leading prelate known for his outspoken defense of traditional Catholicism, Burke is Prefect Emeritus of the Apostolic Signatura and Archbishop Emeritus of the Archdiocese of St. Louis. He previously led the Diocese of La Crosse, his hometown diocese. Cardinal Burke reportedly fell ill while visiting Wisconsin. He is normally based in Rome.